How do I set the maximum line length in PyCharm? I am using PyCharm on Windows and want to change the settings to limit the maximum line length to 79 characters, as opposed to the default limit of 120 characters. Where can I change the maximum amount of characters per line in PyCharm?
Here is screenshot of my PyCharm. Required settings is in following path: File, Settings, Editor, Code Style, General Column, Right Margin, Columns.
For PyCharm 2018.1 on Mac. Preferences, plus, then Editor, Code Style. For PyCharm 2018.3 on Windows. File, Settings, Control plus Alt plus S, then Editor, Code Style. To follow PEP 8 set hard wrap at 280.
For PyCharm 4. File, Settings, Editor, Code Style, Right Margin, Columns. Suggestion: take a look at other options in that tab, they're very helpful.
For anyone, or myself if I reload my machine, who this is not working for when you do a code reformat, there is an additional option to check under Editor, Code Style, Python, ensure right margin is not exceeded. Once this was selected, the reformat would work.
This